Are you tired of feeling flat? Well, I got you a morning snack packed with 5 secret ingredients, like a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, that will leave you feeling rock hard all day long. Watch the video till the end to learn about all the ingredients. And if you want to impress your partner, this snack is the secret to a satisfying sex life. Learn how a single ingredient can ignite your passion and keep you going all night long. Here's the exciting part. This isn't just about staying energized and ready for action all day long thanks to this incredible morning snack. Not only does it help you stay at peak performance whenever the moment comes, but it also packs a punch with even more benefits. It revs up your stamina, helps keep your blood pressure in check, and naturally boosts your testosterone levels. The result? You'll feel unstoppable, with the kind of energy that lets you take on anything your day throws at you. Number 1. To whip up this powerful elixir, you'll need just a few simple ingredients, starting with 1 cup of lemon juice. Squeeze fresh lemons to get that full cup of citrus goodness. Now, lemons aren't just great for boosting your immune system with vitamin C, they're also key to improving blood flow. Vitamin C helps your body produce nitric oxide, a compound that signals your blood vessels to relax and open up, making it easier for blood to flow exactly where and when you need it most. Here's the cool part. Vitamin C doesn't just boost nitric oxide, it also protects it from breaking down too quickly, so its benefits last longer. And let's not forget the flavonoids in lemons. These compounds strengthen your blood vessels and promote better circulation overall. In short, lemons act as a natural way to keep your blood flowing smoothly, ensuring you're always ready to perform. But there's more. Lemons have also been shown to reduce stress hormones, which means they can help you stay calm and confident. So, while they're working wonders for your blood flow, they're also giving your libido a nice boost, keeping you cool and collected in the moment. Next up, grab half of a ripe avocado. Just cut it open, remove the pit, and scoop out that creamy goodness. Avocados are a serious game changer when it comes to supporting your body's testosterone production. The healthy fats packed in this fruit give you the stamina and strength you need, helping to keep your hormones balanced. Plus, those monounsaturated fats do wonders for your heart health, keeping your blood vessels flexible and ready to deliver when you need it most. But avocados offer more than just a boost in circulation. They're loaded with essential vitamins like C, E, K, B5, B6, and folate, plus key minerals like potassium and magnesium that help support overall health. Their high fiber content keeps your blood sugar in check, giving you steady energy throughout the day. No crashes here. And there's even more. Thanks to vitamin K, avocados help strengthen your bones, while antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin protect your cells and are even linked to cancer prevention. So, while your blood flow is getting a solid boost, you're also fueling your entire body with a nutrient powerhouse. For the next ingredient, you'll need a pinch of saffron. About 5 to 6 threads should do it. Start by steeping them in a little warm water for a few minutes to release their full potential. Saffron has been celebrated for centuries as a powerful aphrodisiac, and modern science backs it up. A 2013 study from the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that saffron can seriously boost erectile function and skyrocket sexual desire by flooding your system with blood-enhancing compounds. But saffron doesn't stop there. It also stimulates the release of serotonin, the feel-good hormone that lifts your mood and reduces stress, setting you up for peak performance. Just a small pinch turns your body into a well-oiled machine, primed for lasting stamina and endurance. Beyond its libido-boosting powers, saffron is packed with antioxidants like crocin and saffronol, which don't just protect your cells, they help sharpen your brain. These compounds have been shown to enhance cognitive function and improve memory, so you stay focused and ready for anything. Crocin also increases dopamine, the ultimate pleasure hormone, giving you a mental edge and boosting your overall sense of well-being. And there's even more. Saffron helps regulate blood sugar, keeping your energy levels steady all day long, so you can avoid those annoying crashes. Its antioxidants also protect your vision, shielding your eyes from damage. On top of that, saffron contains compounds that have been linked to cancer prevention, promoting apoptosis, a process where damaged cells self-destruct before they can cause harm. Before we move on to the next powerful ingredient, if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, consider subscribing. It helps us know that we're building a community that values this content, and it allows us to create even more for you. Now, let's dive back in with our next game-changing ingredients. Next, add a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon and a sprinkle of ginger powder. This dynamic duo is the secret to igniting your blood flow and making sure it's there when you need it most. Ginger works like a key, unlocking your blood vessels with its natural vasodilating powers, while Ceylon cinnamon steps in as a major booster for sexual vitality and overall wellness. Here's the jaw-dropping part. A 2014 study published in BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies revealed that Ceylon cinnamon doesn't just boost circulation, it actually amplifies sexual desire and arousal in men. By improving blood flow and intensifying sensitivity, it taps into your body's natural ability to heighten pleasure and responsiveness. The magic lies in compounds like cinnamaldehyde, cinnamic acid, and eugenol. These guys stimulate nerve endings, bringing your sensations to a whole new level. But it doesn't stop there. Ceylon cinnamon is packed with manganese, a mineral that's crucial for hormone production and may even give your testosterone levels a natural boost, ramping up your performance from the inside out. And let's not forget about stamina. Ceylon cinnamon helps regulate your blood sugar, keeping your energy steady throughout the day. No crashes, just pure, consistent fuel that keeps you primed for action whenever the moment strikes. When you combine the benefits of ginger and Ceylon cinnamon, you're not just improving blood flow. You're creating a powerhouse synergy that supports hormone balance, supercharges your vitality, and sets the stage for all-day endurance and peak performance. Now, number 5. Let's add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Soak them in water for about 10 minutes until they puff up, then toss them into the mix. These little seeds might be tiny, but they pack a serious punch. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, they're a powerhouse for heart health, boosting your stamina and keeping your blood flowing smoothly like a well-oiled machine. Omega-3s do more than just support your heart. They keep your blood vessels flexible and reduce inflammation, ensuring blood reaches the right places exactly when needed. But it's not just about omega-3s. Chia seeds have a whole lot more to offer. Packed with fiber, they help stabilize your blood sugar and lock in energy, so you avoid those dreaded afternoon slumps that can drain your stamina. And here's the kicker. Chia seeds are loaded with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all crucial for strength, endurance, and nerve function. These minerals work together to strengthen your bones, optimize muscle performance, and keep your nerves firing at peak efficiency, ensuring you're always ready for action. So, what's the secret ingredient that makes this snack so effective? The secret ingredient that makes this snack so effective is protein. Protein serves as a building block for the body, aiding in muscle growth, repair, and overall energy levels. Protein makes this snack effective for several reasons. 1. Energy and satiety protein helps provide sustained energy and keeps you feeling full for longer periods. This is because it takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, providing a steady source of energy throughout the day. It helps control cravings and reduces the urge for additional snacking shortly after eating. It helps keep you feeling full longer, preventing the urge for additional snacking shortly after. Combining protein with healthy fats and complex carbohydrates can create a balanced snack that supports sustained energy and satiety throughout the day. 2. Muscle support protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, supporting muscle growth and maintenance, which is particularly important as we age to prevent muscle loss. 3. Metabolic benefits. Incorporating protein into snacks can boost metabolism, helping burn more calories at rest, support weight management efforts by promoting satiety and muscle preservation. 4. Brain function. Protein consumption can improve cognitive function by releasing neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine, which enhance focus and concentration, supporting overall brain health and function. 5. Balanced nutrition. When combined with healthy fats and complex carbohydrates, protein helps create a well-rounded snack that provides stable blood sugar levels, a more sustained release of energy, essential nutrients for various bodily functions. By including protein in this snack, it becomes more effective at providing long-lasting energy. Blend all these ingredients together, and you've got a powerful morning elixir. Every sip is packed with essential nutrients that keep your blood flowing, your energy levels unshakable, and your performance primed to take on anything the day throws your way. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You might also want to check out our other video titled 7 Most Important Supplements Proven to Destroy ED and Boost Erections Fast. It's an old ancient remedy that's packed with valuable insights. I think you'll really enjoy it.